AI isn't just for tech experts or big corporations. It's something you can start using right now to save time, work smarter, and even boost your creativity. But most people don't know how to actually use AI in their daily life. So today, I'm going to show you 5 insanely useful ways to start using AI today. Stick around, because number 3 will change the way you work forever. Welcome to the AI Awakening, where we help you unlock the power of AI to make life easier, boost productivity, and stay ahead of the curve. If you want to learn how to apply AI without feeling overwhelmed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, let's get into it. 1. AI is your personal assistant. Imagine having a virtual assistant that schedules your meetings, organizes your tasks, and even writes your emails for you. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Google Assistant, or Apple's Siri can help you manage your day with just a few voice commands or text prompts. Example: ask ChatGPT, summarize my unread emails in one paragraph. Boom, instant productivity boost. Challenge: try using AI to automate one small task today and see how much time you save. 2. AI for creativity and content creation. AI isn't just about automation. It can also boost your creativity. Whether you're a writer, a designer, or just someone who loves social media, AI can help you generate ideas, edit images, or even write captions for your posts. Example: need an Instagram caption? Ask ChatGPT. Give me 3 funny captions for a beach photo. AI saves you time and makes you sound creative. 3. AI for smarter learning. Lifelong learning hack. If you love learning but struggle with information overload, AI can help you learn faster and retain more. Example: use Perplexity, AI or ChatGPT to summarize books, generate study guides, or even explain difficult concepts in simple terms. Hack: tell ChatGPT, explain quantum physics like I'm 12 years old. It'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand language. Lifelong learning just got easier. 4. AI for saving or making money. AI isn't just about convenience. It can also help you save and make money. Example: use AI-powered budgeting tools like Copilot or Clio to track spending and find savings. Bonus: many people are using AI to start side hustles, AI-generated content, AI-powered businesses, and even AI-assisted investing. Could this be your next money-making tool? 5. AI for health and wellness. AI can help you stay healthy by tracking your habits and giving you personalized recommendations. Example: AI-powered apps like MyFitnessPal or Fitbod can create meal plans or workouts tailored just for you. Try this. Ask ChatGPT, create a 7-day healthy meal plan for me based on a high-protein diet. AI is your new personal coach. AI isn't just the future. It's something you can start using right now to make life easier and more productive. Which AI tool or trick from this video will you try first? Drop a comment below, and if you want more AI-powered tips, subscribe to the AI Awakening now. New videos every week.